Okay, what we discussed in earlier class, that is a precisional angular motion. So how we derive the precisional angular motion? Already I said that with the simple formula of angular acceleration, and what are the components are there. Okay, how we are calculated the horizontal component and vertical component by the help of vector diagram. So already said that. So in that, we may also define some definitions. So definitions are there in our derivation. So those are also already said that. That is the angular velocity of precision, axis of precision, and angular motion, precisional angular motion. Those already covered in earlier class. So now we are going to discuss about of the next topic, that is the gyroscopic couple. So it is also having the similar diagram in our gyroscopic couple derivation. So all of you observe that. So couple and gyroscopic couple. Okay, couple and gyroscopic couple already said that. What is the difference between the couple and gyroscopic couple? So that is our gyroscopic couple means the rate of change of angular momentum is known as gyroscopic couple. Okay, the rate of change of angular momentum is known as gyroscopic couple. So now all of you observe that here figure A is there, figure A. So similar diagram to the before derivation. So that is the OX axis of spin is there, that is carrying with the spinning disk. Okay, that spinning disk is also rotated anti-clockwise direction when weaving from the front side. When weaving from the front side, the direction of weaving is here. Please mute all of you.
342. Declare 342. Okay, sir.
Okay, the direction of weaving is there. So the spinning disk, consider a spinning disk that is rotated with the angular velocity of omega and anti-clockwise direction. The direction of rotation is anti-clockwise when weaving from the front side. So when weaving from the front side, that is rotating with the anti-clockwise direction. So here we may also have the when the OX is shifted to their position OX dash with the angular displacement of del theta, with the angular displacement of del theta with the interval time of delta t, with the interval time of delta t. So then it may also have the some angular momentum rate of some small change is there, angular momentum is there, change of angular momentum is there, that is the OX to OX dash. So now here all of you observe that OX is there and OY is also here. So OX is calling as axis of spin and OY is calling as axis of precision. OY is calling as axis of precision. Okay, axis of precision is there. And OZ is also there. That is our axis of gyroscopic couple. Axis of gyroscopic couple. That is the OZ and OZ dash. Both are there. Here OZ is calling as axis of active gyroscopic couple and OZ dash is axis of reactive gyroscopic couple. Already we discussed in earlier classes, that is the active force and reactive force. So that is the small difference is there, active and reactive gyroscopic couple. Here coming to our figure B, they may also draw the one small vector diagram. So that is our small vector diagram is there. Okay, so that is the active gyroscopic couple, that is the OX is shifted to the OX dash. So then the angular displacement value is the del theta. The angular displacement value is del theta. So here all of you observe that. So how many planes are there in our diagram? Okay, is it clearly to visible, all of you? Respond, please respond, anyone.
Sir.
diagram figure A, is it visible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here all of you observe that XOZ, that plane. So XOZ is one plane, YOZ is one plane, and XOY is one plane. So we have the three planes are there in our diagram. So here YOZ is there. That plane is parallel to the spinning disk. That plane is parallel to the spinning disk. So that YOZ is calling as plane of spinning or spinning plane. And next XOZ is there. XOZ. So that plane is calling as plane of precision. Plane of precision. And another plane is there, XOY. So that plane is calling as plane of active gyroscopic couple. Three planes are there and three axes is there. So first axis is the axis of spin, and second one is the axis of precision, and third one is the axis of active gyroscopic couple. And similarly we have the three planes are also there. Plane of spinning, plane of precision, and plane of active gyroscopic couple. So here when the disk is rotating and at the same time that may also have with the some angular displacement del theta, then it may also shifted to the OX to OX dash. So that is the change of angular momentum. So how much of angular momentum in our disk? So first we will calculate that value. So here all of you observe that. So angular momentum of the disk, just they may write that value is I omega. They may write the value is I omega. How they have written the particular term I omega? So already know the momentum, not only angular momentum, just momentum formula. What is the formula of momentum? Anyone respond? Momentum formula.
Mass into velocity.
Yes, good. So MV. So momentum formula is MV. But when we take the angular momentum of the disk, so that is the mass moment of inertia into the angular velocity. That is the simple difference. That is the mass moment of inertia. Mass is replacing with mass moment of inertia, and velocity is replacing with angular velocity. So that is the angular momentum of disk value is how much? I omega. So that is the here the symbol notations are there. I equals to mass moment of inertia and omega equals to angular velocity of the disk. So now here all of you observe that from the vector diagram B, already we have seen that is the OX is shifted to the OX dash. Okay, that is the change of angular momentum is here. The value will be represented here. The change of angular momentum. All of you observe that. So the change in angular momentum equals to here OX dash minus OX. OX dash minus OX. That is the change in angular momentum. New angular momentum is OX dash, and before, okay, a previous angular momentum is OX. So that is the change of angular momentum. So now this may also written that XX dash. OX dash minus OX is also written that XX dash. So all of you observe the diagram. How we write the XX dash? So all of you observe that figure B. Figure B. So OX dash minus OX, it is also having the connection. Okay, XX dash is there. So they may write that. But when you are calculating the XX dash value, so simply to write that, what is the value? How they write the value? XX dash. Simple formula is there. R into theta. Do you know that? For calculation of okay that curvature. So that is the R theta. Similarly, R means here OX into del theta. So OX value means okay angular momentum of the disk. So already this is the okay previous one. OX is the value. Okay, so that angular momentum already calculated in earlier step. Okay, in previous step, that is the angular momentum of disk I omega is there. So that OX value is I omega, and del theta. I omega and del theta. And now here, gyroscopic couple means rate of change of angular momentum. So that's why next we are taking to be rate of change of angular momentum equals to I omega into del theta by delta t. Just we are adding with the column of del, okay, dt. So that is the time will be adding rate of change of angular momentum. So when we are adding with that, so here the term is in seems to be in our dels. So but it is not possible to apply our formulas, okay, directly to be not substituted in our problems. So that's why we are also taking to that. So limitations for converting to the particular format. So that is the here C equals to couple will be represented with the formula. Okay, couple will be represented with the symbol of C or G. So here C, that is represented with the capital C. Capital C equals to limit delta t tends to 0, that is I omega del theta by delta t. So that equals to I omega into, now when we are applying the limitations, then those two are converted. That is the del theta by delta t is equals to del theta by delta t converted into d theta by dt. So that equals to I omega d theta by dt, already written that is the omega suffix p. D theta by dt equals to omega suffix p. So that is the already, okay, this term already mentioned in earlier derivation, that is the precessional angular motion. So now all of you observe that where omega p equals to, what is the representation? Angular velocity of precession of the axis of spin. Angular velocity of precession of the axis of spin. So here a gyroscopic couple units. What are the units are there? So couple, it is also a couple. So that means a Newton meter. That the, okay, that units are Newton meter. And I, representation of I is the mass moment of inertia. That is our kg meter square is there. And now here they may set the some cases belongs to the gyroscopic couple. So in that first case point of view, the couple I omega omega p in the direction of vector xx dash is active gyroscopic couple. Why? Because when we are taking to be that the vector xx dash, all of you observe the figure B represents that, okay, represents an anti-clockwise couple in the plane XOY. The plane XOY is called, already said that, plane of active gyroscopic couple. So it is xx dash when it is going to be towards x to x dash, towards upside. So upside plane is calling as active gyroscopic couple, and the same plane will be generating to the bottom side, that is calling as the reactive gyroscopic couple. Here in this they may represents to the only, okay, xx dash active gyroscopic couple. So that is also represented in our particular value, okay, in precisional plane, that may also represented that. So that may also consider as the XOY is called plane of active gyroscopic couple, and axis OZ. OZ value always perpendicular to the XOY. Why? Because it is a axis. Axis OZ is always perpendicular to the plane of, okay, XOY plane. So that means plane of active gyroscopic couple is XOY and their axis OZ is perpendicular. That is also there. And now going to the second case point of view, when the axis of spin itself moves with an angular velocity omega p. So that is the angular velocity is also mentioned here. So and then the disk is subjected to reactive couple. That means the values whose magnitude is the same, but the direction is different. That means in our figure B, they may also mention that is the, observe that here, active couple and reactive couple. Okay, so the direction, the magnitude values are same, but so what the value you will attain, that is positive, then it may also comes top side, active gyroscopic couple. But sometimes the couple will comes negative. then it may also comes towards downside. That means you may also generated here, this place. That is our reactive couple will be generated. Okay, when the disk is okay. So that is also there. Reactive gyroscopic couple is also producing. So, and coming to the third point of view, they may also discuss that where we are generally occurs the our particular gyroscopic couple. It is generally it is generally applied through the bearings which supports the shaft, and the bearings will resist the equal and opposite couples. Why we are observing the bearings point of view? Why? Because it will resist the equal and opposite couples. So that places are also generally applied in our gyroscopic cup. And another one, application. So that point of view, it is used in an instruments or toys is known as gyroscope. Uh, these are installed in generally to minimize the rolling and pitching effects of the in ships and ships, okay, ships and aeroplanes and monorails. So if you will observe that where we are generally seen the in our toy instruments of our gyroscopic principle. If you are observing the okay uh, aeroplane of aeroplane or helicopter toys are there. So those are operated by the some remote system. So if you are observe that those are having the more flexibility compare with the general, okay, compare with the real world applications, real world okay, aeroplanes are real world helicopters. Why? Because when you are operating with that, the helicopter is also okay rotated, okay, fully rotated. It may also having the fully rotated 360 degrees is also possible, and that may also possible by the help of gyroscopic principle. And another one is there, their horsepower levels are very high compare with the real world helicopters and aeroplanes. That's why they are also moving anyway, flexibility is more compare with the real world point of view. So that is, those are also utilizing the gyroscopic principle. And another one is rolling and pitching effects will be reducing in our ships. So that may also happen by the help of gyroscopic couple. So if you are observe that uh, when any cyclones or any storms are happening in our okay, happening in our daily days, but you cannot hear the news about of the ships. Okay, why? Okay, that means some ships are all okay. Some ships are going to be destroyed by the help of cyclone, particular cyclone. You cannot hear such type of news. Why? Because those are utilizing to the particular principle and early to sensitize the particular news. So that is also there. If it is also okay, if it is also facing the particular problem, okay, in any storms or any cyclones, they may also stabilize by the help of particular principles. That is also happening, okay, by the help of gyroscopic couple principle. So how much of benefit it is for balancing of the our vehicles. So that is the very important coming to the this one. So you will observe that toys point of view, I will give you the some briefing about of the toys. For example, stunt cars. If you will observe that, so nearly transformers. Did you observe that transformer movie? Transformer, okay, car, sometime it may also seems to be car, and suddenly it may also converted to the robot, okay, and it may also makes the more functions, okay, more works. So that is happening by the help of gyroscopic couple. So that is also based on the gyroscopic couple principle. So that is also possible. That means it may also moves anyway. That means their flexibility is very good. Okay. So that is also happening by the help of gyroscopic couple principle. Okay. General cars, real world cars are not making the such type of functions, but those are also generally okay. Those are also making when we are usage of the gyroscopic principle mostly. Okay, those are also producing. Definitely, it may also produce. So that is also happen in our daily life of our gyroscopic couple principles. Okay, so here generally we have the four derivations are there belonging to the gyroscopic couple effects. Those are the effect of gyroscopic couple on an aeroplane, and second one effect of gyroscopic couple on a naval ship, and the third one effect of gyroscopic couple on a four-wheel vehicle, and the fourth one effect of gyroscopic couple on two-wheeler vehicle. So those are also there, and they may also okay. Those are also discussed in later classes. So here, how it will helpful, and how it is balancing of the vehicles. So that is done by the small examples. Already I said some examples how it is helpful to balancing of the particular vehicles. So when it is producing the forces and couples, then the vehicle will be balanced. What type of couple, gyroscopic couple is there? How we are calculated the gyroscopic couple? It is having the simple formula is there. Now all of you observe that. That formula is I omega omega p. I omega omega p. I means mass moment of inertia. Omega means angular velocity of the disk, and omega p means angular velocity of precession. Angular velocity of precession. So now when we have seen the particular derivation, just we will okay, make the one problem, small problem. So all of you observe that. Okay, here problem is there. A uniform disc of dia 300 mm and the mass 5 kg is mounted on one end of arm length 600 mm, and the other end of the arm is free to rotate in a universal bearing. If the disc rotates about the arm with a speed of 300 rpm clockwise, looking from the front, what speed it precesses about the vertical axis? All of you observe that. Here they may also clearly to mention their rotation speed and direction of the rotation, and weaving direction, and vertical axis speed. Okay, that means the speed of the speed, it's a precise vertical axis. That means the angular velocity of precision. Angular velocity of precision. Our required value is okay. Our determining value is the angular velocity of precision. So first we will write our given data. That is the diameter of the disc is there. That is the 300 mm. Radius value is the 150 mm. And mass of the disc is there 5 kg, and length of the spinning okay shaft is there. So that is the our 600 mm is there, and speed of the disc 300 rpm. When we are having the speed value, and simply to find out the omega, angular velocity of the disc, that is the 2 pi n by 60. Then simply to get the our 31.42 radian per seconds. Now we are going to find out the omega already calculated here, and other two values are there for calculating the couple. So that is the C equals to, generally to take in that I is also required. So how to find, okay, how to calculate the I value? So I means mass moment of inertia. What is the general formula for mass moment of inertia? I equals to mk square. Sometimes they may also not giving the radius of gyration. So then that time you may also consider that the formula is mr square by 2. So that means a disk radius. When you are having the disk radius, so that may also substituted in this. So then 5 into r square, that r value is the 0.15. So 0.15 by 2, okay, whole square. So then I value is also achieved that. So that is the 0.056 kg meter square. Okay, I is there and omega is there. And now they may also, okay, but our determining value is omega suffix p. Our determining value is omega suffix p. But they may not give the couple also. So how to find out the couple? So now here, so all of you observe that. So couple C equals to mgl. So that means generalized formula. So that is the force into distance. So that force means here mass is there and that value, okay, mass into our g, okay, uh, okay, m into g, and our perpendicular distance means arm length is there. So when we are having the particular value 5 into 9.81 into our 0.6, so simply to get the couple due to the okay, disk, couple due to the disk, so that value is 29.43 Newton meter. To achieve the value, that is the 29.43, okay, Newton meter. Now what is the generalized formula for couple, gyroscopic couple? C equals to I omega omega p. C is there, I is there, and omega is there, and the other unknown value is there, omega p. So what are the known values are there? Those values are substituting in our equation, main equation. So that is the C value, okay, and I value and omega value. So then simply to calculate the omega p. So omega p value is how much? 16.7 radian per seconds. 16.7 radian per seconds. So these are the, okay, simple problem belongs to the gyroscopic couple. So that means here all of you observe that in our problem description, bearing is carrying with the, okay, one shaft is there, the shaft is carrying with the one bearing, okay, and one end is carrying with the bearing and another end is free to rotate. So then simply to seems to be it seems to be a spinning disc and spinning axis. It may also seems to be our spinning disc and spinning axis, similar this one, okay. So when we are having the such type of problems, how to calculate the our gyroscopic couple and our precisional, okay, angular velocity of precision. So they may also calculate it here. Okay. Now the session is going to be over within 5 minutes. Okay. Anyone doubts?